Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's Python programming series. Today we're exploring a fundamental aspect of programming: file handling. Whether you're managing data, creating logs, or simply reading and writing files, mastering file handling is crucial. Let's dive right in. File handling in Python allows you to work with files. Whether you're reading, writing, or managing them, it opens up endless possibilities for data management and automation. From storing configuration files to logging application errors, mastering file handling is key. Let's start with the basics. Opening and closing files. In Python, we use the open function to access a file. Always remember to close the file to free up system resources. Here's how it's done. In this example, we open example text in read mode and then close it after reading its contents. Closing files is a good practice to prevent resource leaks. To make file handling safer and more convenient, Python offers the with statement. It ensures that the file is closed automatically even if an error occurs. Let's see it in action. Using the with statement, we open example text.t. The file is automatically closed once we're done, making our code cleaner and safer. Now let's explore the different ways to read files. Whether you need to read an entire file line by line or specific portions, Python has you covered. You can read the whole content at once with read, or handle large files efficiently by reading them line by line. This flexibility is crucial for working with different types and sizes of files. Next, we'll learn how to write to files. You can create new files or modify existing ones by writing or appending data. Let's see how. In write mode, the file's existing content is overwritten. In append mode, new content is added to the end of the file without altering the existing data. Understanding file paths is crucial when working with files. Python supports both absolute and relative paths, which can be used depending on your project setup and environment. Absolute paths give the full file location, ideal for accessing files from any location. Relative paths are based on the current working directory, making them useful for projects with a set structure. Quick pause. If you're eager to master more Python skills, check out the Knowledge Academy's eLearning platform. We offer interactive courses, practical projects, and real-time progress tracking, all at your fingertips. Join our community of learners and get started with courses tailored to your needs. Sign up today and unlock your potential. File operations can sometimes encounter errors, like missing files or access issues. It's important to handle these gracefully using try except blocks. By catching exceptions like file not found error, you can handle issues smoothly. providing users with a clear message rather than letting the program crash. And that's a wrap on file handling in Python. Whether you're reading, writing, or managing files, these skills are invaluable. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Python tutorials. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore the Knowledge Academy's eLearning platform